Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode, I think I will be working a bit slow. Yesterday I took the third COVID vaccine dose, and I don't really have much symptoms, not really anything at all, but I do feel a bit more tired than usual, so I will take it easy, and I will just start and see how it goes. But we will continue with the hubs, so I will continue grinding off casting marks, sort of break up the rust surface, and perhaps also clean up the drive axles with the bench grinder and the wire wheel. So and perhaps also have a look at what I can do about the ABS sensor. Maybe there's a way to like modify the hub so that I can have a cheaper, easily available sensor that can be sort of turned 90 degrees. Maybe I will see. Let's move on. So as you can see here, it's very tight, so it can't be in the wrong direction. I mean, radial mounted. It needs to be axial mounted. So the sensor is actually on the inside of the wheel, so that means that we do have a possibility to have one of those. I've seen some sensors that do measure in the same way, so maybe it's a possibility, because we could actually move it in and out depending on how it needs to go. So we need to investigate. And just to illustrate with the hub itself in the opposite direction, this is basically what we have to work with if we were to have a radial mounted sensor. So that's no good, but we do have this. Maybe could a sensor trigger on these? That's interesting. Maybe if we add at least a few more, then this could perhaps be the reading surface. I don't know, maybe. So this is the starting point for today's episode. We have this is something that I want to remove, and if you see on the rear hubs, it's a lot of dark areas that I want to do a bit more scratching on. So I will be using this. So this is the end result from today. They are the front ones, they are quite finished as far as grinding goes. Well, maybe, yeah, I need to do a bit of a transition between these two heights. And on the other one, the left one, I still have a little bit left, but overall quite good. So the rear ones, they have quite a bit more work left, but yeah, every step counts, so they are getting there eventually. I think I spent about an hour grinding, so I do have some vibration sensation in my hand. So I think it's time to end for today. And I don't think it has gotten any worse. Worser. It's no change when it comes to the symptoms of the COVID vaccine. So that's good. So hopefully I can go to work tomorrow. I brought my work laptop home just in case I feel bad, then I can work from home. But as it looks now, I think I will be going to work. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.